That is 4G, the mobile network used across the world to make calls, send messages, and surf internet. Is now going to get replaced by, yeah, you guessed it, 5G, a new faster network that has the potential to transform the internet. 5G is an advanced wireless technology that promises to bring faster internet speed to mobile devices and bring more services to the market. But what is 5G exactly? It stands for the fifth generation standard for 5G for mobile communication. 5G uses a high frequency band of the wireless spectrum called millimeter wave that allows data to be transferred much faster than the lower frequency band dedicated to 4G. At capacity that will be upgraded. It will also help to create new services and technologies that wouldn't be possible without it. For example, the vast Internet of Things would require more faster and reliable networks to bring about driverless cars, industrial automation, and connected smart cities, which are all in their infant stages right now. 5G is on a pace to improve many aspects of current generation mobile networks. Some of these major factors include speed, latency, bandwidth, energy consumption, and more. From the inception of mobile networks, all the devices have been in the frequency spectrum between 3 kHz to 6 GHz. Now, this wasn't an issue in the past when the devices were limited primarily to mobile phones. However, with the emergence of the Internet of Things, self driving cars, smartwatches, VR, AR, and countless other technologies requiring continuous fast connections, these frequency bands are increasingly becoming congested. This rate of growth of connected devices will only set to exponentially increase, with some expecting them to reach 50 billion by 2020. If all these devices will remain under the currently established frequency spectrum, no more device will be able to get appropriate amount of bandwidth to operate as designed and quits the sole operation and drop connection. Millimeter waves will open up the spectrum from 6 GHz to all the way up to 300 GHz, allowing much more bandwidth for the devices to operate smoothly. But it's important to keep in mind that we won't be immediately use all that frequency spectrum. For the average consumer, it will more up to 24 GHz, while licensed spectrum ranging from 24 to 40 GHz initially. There will also be a shared spectrum ranging from 60 to 100 GHz for mission critical services and applications. The bottom line is that 5G is almost here, and it will be a giant step forward for the internet connected devices. Consumers will reap the benefit of 5G by using lightning fast mobile internet, and the companies by offering more connected business than ever before. Thanks for watching this video. Do you think 5G will make a big difference to mobile connectivity, or is it just a hype? Do let us know your views in the comment section. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and quick subscribe. It helps us to reach more people and allows us to create more awesome content.